Once upon a time, there were three little pigs who left their mummy and daddy to see the world. All summer long, they roamed through the wood and over the plain, playing games and having fun. None was happier than the three little pigs, and they easily made friends with everyone. Wherever they went, they were given a warm welcome. But as summer drew to a close, they realized that folk were drifting back to their usual jobs and preparing for winter. Autumn came and it began to rain. The three little pigs started to feel that they needed a real home. Sadly, they knew that the fun was over now and they must set to work like others, or they did be left in the cold and rain, with no roof over their heads. They talked about what to do, but each decided for himself. The laziest little pig said he did build a straw hut.
It will only take our day.
The others disagreed,
It's too fragile.
but he refused to listen. Not quite so lazy, the second little pig went in search of planks of seasoned wood. It took him 2 days to nail them together. But the third little pig did not like the wooden house.
That's not the way to build a house. It takes time, patience, and hard work to build a house that is strong enough to stand up to wind, rain, snow, and most of all protect us from the wolf.
The days went by, and the wisest little pig's house took shape, brick by brick. From time to time, his brothers visited him, saying with a chuckle,
Why are you working so hard? Why don't you come and play? No. I shall finish my house first. It must be solid and sturdy. And then I'll come and play. I shall not be foolish like you. For he who laughs last, laughs longest.
It was the wisest little pig who found the tracks of a big wolf in the neighborhood. The little pigs rushed home in alarm. Along came the wolf, scowling fiercely at the laziest pig's straw hut.
Come out. I want to speak to you.
I'd rather stay where I am.
I will make you come out.
Growled the wolf angrily, and puffing out his chest, he took a very deep breath. Then he blew with all his might, right onto the house. And all the straw the silly pig had heaped against some thin poles fell down in the great blast. Excited by his own cleverness, the wolf did not notice that the little pig had slithered out from underneath the heap of straw and was dashing towards his brother's wooden house. When he realized that the little pig was escaping, the wolf grew wild with rage,
Come back.
trying to catch the pig as he ran into the wooden house. The other little pig greeted his brother, shaking like a leaf.
I hope this house won't fall down. Let's lean against the door so that he can't break in.
Outside, the wolf could hear the little pig's words. Starving as he was, at the idea of a 2-course meal, he again blew on the door.
Open up. Open up. I only want to speak to you.
Inside, the two brothers wept in fear and did their best to hold the door fast against the blows. Then the furious wolf braced himself for a new effort that drew in a really enormous breath and went. The wooden house collapsed like a pack of cards.